become a teacher.
I want to be a doctor.
I want to become an IAS officer. I want to become a lawyer.
Nowadays, parents dream of a school where every talent of their child is shaped and polished. If you too are looking for such an institute, then do visit Apple International School Lumbi, away from environmental pollution, in a lush green belt.
Being a part of Apple Academy is one of the best things of my life. I found this institution best because here we are getting every desirous and deserving facilities, and of course it makes our learning process the best.
In a state-of-art premises resides Apple International School Lumbi.
For our school management, the safety and security of our students is highly significant. To ensure that our students are safe and secure at all times, we have 24-hour securities at our school premises.
Administration has a clear vision, shaping the leaders of future. Curriculum is designed and implemented with a far-sighted approach. Children here enjoy learning in a smart, creative and Playway method. Smart classrooms with seasoned and highly qualified staff provide conducive atmosphere for learning with all facilities vital for harmonious development of the child. Well-stocked library with numerous reference books and literature, an ultra-modern computer lab, and yet another unique feature of the school is robotics in artificial intelligence lab, which inspires the students to become engineers of tomorrow.
We here at Apple International School provides the students the hub of learning, a platform which helps them to channelize their energies to the best and learn life skills through digitally equipped curriculum and up-to-date technology. They acquire qualities like audacity, integrity and leadership through extensively robust sports and co-curricular activities. And above everything, they all love coming to the school.
Prayer and moral education for intellectual and spiritual growth, and fabulous sports facility for physical growth. Apple International School has a very rare characteristic that it provides 9-layer synthetic tennis court. Sports is the top priority of Apple International School.
Development and maintenance of our brain is also necessary. This all depends on the environment we live in. Apple Academy is the best place where I get to know about self-maintenance and discipline.
Has its own convenient and luxury transport.
Along with best things about Apple International School, one of the most fabulous that is transport facility. Minimum area covered by our vans is 40 km. Door-to-door pickup and drop-up services also available in our vans for students as well as teachers.
Marvelous records, excellent results. Altogether, it is sufficient to ensure your visit and ease your selection. Beyond doubt, it is Apple International School Lumbi.